fuck Ireland. Ireland is for chavs.
Hang on, it's recording now.
Prick in his son, it look like Slender Man.
Alright, watch. Alright, watch.
Yeah,
Alright.
you're gonna kill your children.
Okay, so how to get rid of a hiccup?
How to get rid of a hiccup during a snow day?
How to get rid of a
Canada.
hiccup on a snow day?
In Canada.
Alright.
Are you gonna stand? No, you're gonna do it the opposite way. The other way. No, turn around. Yeah. Jesus, how the fuck am I gonna do? Oh, I'm glad it's on your video and not mine, because there's no way I'm doing this. Alright, give me a little leg.
Alright, three,
Put it, no, like
3, 2, 1.
proper bear. Alright. Wow. Wow.
Impossible.
No, it isn't. It isn't. Take two. Take two.
Take 2, part 2.
Oh, this better be on Facebook tomorrow.
I'll show you. I'll show you the video.
Okay.
Right.
Wow, that's my dick.
I'm sorry. I.
Okay, how the fuck am I giving you a glass of water?
I give you a glass of water.
Alright. Alright. Alright.
Alright,
How the fuck am I getting this?
feed me. Impossible.
Fucking jeez.
Absolutely impossible.
Maybe your hiccups are gone now. Maybe just fucking take some water.
Ah.
You look like a fucking freak. Excellent. That was probably a very good video. Look at you spilled it all over yourself.
My favorite.
Ishkabaha.
I've got such vicious hiccups. Angry hiccups.